We have to be super careful because sister can't eat sweets.
Heard that, sister? No eating sweets.
Oh my god, it's so fast. It smells good. Hi guys, welcome to Sophia's Vera's PlaySet. Welcome to Sophia's Vera's PlaySet. Today we're gonna make a surprise cake for my daddy for his birthday. So first we're gonna put in butter. Drop it in.
Dump it all in.
There's one still. There's one still. There we go.
Okay.
Maybe a little too much, right?
That's good. Dump it all in. Okay. Stir it to... There we go.
All of it?
Yes. Here, you need a spoon.
Oh my god! That's a lot.
Here. Scrape it. That's going to bring some orange flavor to the cake.
Now we're going to put in the orange
Juice mix
with
milk. You want me to help?
It's overflowing. I'm scared I'm going to spill it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so much. Now we're going to put in the eggs.
Not yet.
Another mix.
Yep. So we're going to stir it again.
And then the eggs.
Mm-hmm.
And then this, right?
Yep.
I really like the eggs. I'm good at cracking eggs now. Oh!
It's okay.
Spilled.
It's okay. We'll clean it up.
Oh boy, sister's licking it.
It's okay.
Now we're gonna put in the eggs. So we're gonna pour it in here.
So that's 2 eggs. Right there. That's what that's for. Okay? Leveled, okay?
Okay, now I'll put it in here.
Mm-hmm. Salt helps bring out the sweet flavor. So 1/4, put it in. Okay.
Now let's put it in.
Remember, you gotta make sure it's leveled.
Oh my god, this is so big.
Hold on, hold on. Yeah, leveled it.
Boom, boom, laka shaka.
Preheat the oven and to 350 degrees. Okay, and then when we put the cake, we have to wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, sounds good. Are you
And mommy's gonna call me. Wait, this is not the Y. Where's the Y? Where's the Y? Where's the Y? No, it is. That.
It's good, even though there's no icing.
I really like this part.
The crispy part.
No, I like this part.
Oh, okay, that's happening.
It's so good.